Friends, Gator Mom here. Hope you're having an awesome day. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a brand new release from Jujube to share with you. This bag here is called their Core Convertible, and not only are you going to be getting the bag when you purchase this, but you're also going to be getting an awesome accessory bundle. Alright, so this is take like 100 literally of this video. It is so hard to record during the summer with the kids home, but I'm gonna make it happen. This is a brand new release, like I said earlier, from Jujube. It's their Core Convertible bag, and I am surprised at how much I really like this bag. I just thought kind of the way that it was set up, it is definitely designed, in my opinion, with like the new mom in mind. It comes with so many awesome accessories. It's literally like an all-in-one baby bundle. It's amazing. So I thought with me having older kids that it wouldn't be one of my favorite style Jujube bags, but I love the way that this packs up. It's really cute on the body, which I'll make sure to show you guys pics over in Instagram. I love how you can go from the 4 different ways to carry it so fast and easy. There's no like fumbling around with the straps or anything like that. And there's a couple of really awesome features inside this bag that had me like sold when I opened it up. So this color here is the olive color, I'm guessing. I'm sorry, I don't know the names of the actual colors or prints, but I'll be sure to link it all below and list it. And it is going to be releasing next week from Jujube. So again, I'll have all that info in the description box. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I have this packed up and kind of give you a tour of the bag as I go. And then at the very end, I have 2 other colors in this bag. So I'll show you just the prints briefly and the inside lining so you can get a good look of those 2 particular styles. And then I will be doing a giveaway over my Instagram for one of those bags. So stay tuned for that also. Okay, so getting on into the bag, the color, like I said, is like a really pretty olive. It's not like a deep, rich olive. It's kind of like a brighter olive, if that makes sense. And I love the contrasting cream colored zipper. These are like a faux leather pull, and then you also have the same plate here on the front. I just think that it kind of makes it a little bit classier, and I really like how easy the zippers are to use with these pulls. So you have that throughout the bag. I'll go ahead and go like around the outside of the bag, and then I'll get into the inside of the bag. So on the front here, you have 1 pocket on this front flap, and it is a felt lined pocket. So it's awesome, of course, for your electronics and your cell phone and all that fun stuff. I actually just have my sunglasses tucked down in there. 9 times out of 10, I have my cell phone on my body. I did grab it though. Where is it? I hardly ever put it inside my bags, but if I do, then this is a great pocket. But if I'm wearing it on my back, this is not, you know, to me, a really safe spot to have it. But if I have it like in a shopping cart, in my car, wherever, this is like the perfect pocket. But like I said, 9 times out of 10, I'm gonna have it on my body, so it's a great spot for other things like sunglasses or whatever. So that is this pocket here on the front. Then you have a magnetic button closure right here. And this is my favorite feature of this bag. I was so shocked when I opened it up because I had no idea that it was in here, but you have 1 flat pocket here on the front, and I don't have anything in that pocket right now, but I just packed this up for the weekend, so it's pretty packed, like meaning like it looks pretty. Over the weekend, I'm sure it's gonna get trashed, and I'm gonna end up throwing a bunch of stuff in it as far as, you know, what the kids need. They always hand me more stuff. So right now it's like nice and organized. So I don't have anything in that front pocket, but this here was the feature that I was just telling you about. It's amazing. It's a thermal pocket, and this sucker is deep. It goes all the way down and all the way wide of the bag, and you can fit a ton in it. I just love being able to grab snacks really fast. The ages my kids are right now, like snacks and activities are like #1 for what I pack in my bags. So inside this thermal pocket here in the front, I have a ton of snacks. I have some pretzel rods that have chocolate on them, some more pretzel rods. We made a ton of those at the end of the school year and are still eating them. I have, I think, 3 Go Squeezes in here. Yeah, I have 3 Go Squeezes. And then I also have a bunch of Kashi bars and granola bars. I mean, you guys see how deep my hand is going in here, and it's like a Mary Poppins bag of snacks. I can literally pack snacks for all day in here. And it would be an awesome pocket for like baby bottles and formula pouches. Like if you are a pumping mama and have your formula in those like baggies, you can easily put them in here and it would keep it nice and cool. So that's a really awesome feature. I love this pocket a lot. So then right behind it, you have another like deep pocket. I just have 2 coloring books in here. I always have some type of like coloring book with me. And so right now I have these 2 in here. Then that's everything I have kind of on the front of the bag. Now you saw that I was having to kind of hold the flap as I was getting things in and out of, just because it's a smaller flap. When you have the inside of this bag unzipped, you can easily tuck that flap right in there and be able to get your stuff out of the bag. So like if you're have this bag, for example, in the front seat of your car and your kids are screaming in the back for snacks and you don't want to be fumbling with that flap, trying to get them a granola bar, just tuck that into your bag and then you have all 3 of these pockets ready for you to just grab what you need and go. So I just wanted to point that out because I knew I would get a question on that. So moving on to the sides and the back of the bag, then we'll get on inside of it. On the sides of the bag here, you don't have any bottle pockets. It is just like a completely flat side. And then you also do have a spot here for your stroller clips, which come with the bag. They are these right here, so they're awesome, really versatile. You can kind of use them with pretty much any type of stroller. They have a loop here, so you could loop it onto your stroller, or of course you could put it through here and then just tie it and have that access too. So these you can use tons of different ways, and they come with the bag. The other accessory that I'm of course not using with the bag is the change pad that comes with. This is the inside lining, which I'll show you guys in just a second. I am obsessed. I'm so happy that they did such a fun lining inside this really kind of sleek bag. It's just very kind of calm on the outside, but it's like party on the inside with these black and white polka dots. I don't know, I think it's really fun. So this is the change pad. I would say it's a nice cross between a memory foam change pad and a light change pad, but I think it's longer. It's hard to kind of capture in the camera, but it's a really long change pad, and it's not, like I said, memory foam, but it's definitely not as flat as the Be Light change pads. So yeah, something to think about. I think it's a really awesome change pad. You can fold it up and easily put it inside like a pouch if you wanted to. It's not too thick. I know sometimes with the memory foam ones, it's hard to fold those up, but this one is really easy to do that with. Then moving on to the back of the bag, you have the awesome convertible straps. You have a separate grab handle here at the top that is not attached to the actual strap of the bag. Then you have your backpack straps right here, and what's awesome is you can really go from all different types of ways to wear it super fast. So right now, obviously, I have it in backpack mode, which is gonna be 90% of the time how I wear it. Then if I need to throw it over my shoulder really quickly or go crossbody with it, I can just pull this up here and I'm ready to go tote style. It's literally that easy. So I think that that feature is something that's really special about this bag. I've never really seen anything like that, so I think that it's really cool. And so you have basically backpack, tote style, messenger style. You have the grab handle here, and then of course you have the option to put it on your stroller with the stroller strap. So tons of ways you can carry this. You also have a really awesome pocket back here in the back, very similar to that pocket in the front. It's just a big slit pocket. Again, I could easily put my planner in here or more coloring books or books for the kids or whatever. It's just kind of like the perfect pocket. Right now, I don't have anything in that pocket though. So now we're gonna move on to the front of the bag. I'm gonna put the camera up just a little bit so you can see all the pockets inside. Looking down at the top of the bag, you have these 2 awesome zipper pulls, and they unzip about halfway down on the side of the bag, so it makes it really easy to get everything in and out of the bag. I'm gonna go ahead and fold the top of this bag back just to give you guys a little bit better of a view of the inside as I start pulling stuff out. Like I said earlier, I love this black and white polka dot lining against this like olive green. I wish that they had this polka dot lining in all the bags because I think it would have matched like perfect. I really like the lining. I think it's great. Great little contrast in here. So this is what the inside of the bag looks like. It's definitely more like a vertical packing style. There's a ton of room up here at the top that I don't have anything, but I can guarantee over the weekend there's gonna be something I'm gonna need to put here, and it's probably not gonna look quite as pretty as it looks right now. So I'll be sure to kind of share that. But I like that because if you have like that special lovey or that baby blanket or something that you need, you can just like throw it here on top and you don't have to necessarily pack it on the inside. So looking down inside the bag, you have a key leash attached right here, and I just have my keys attached. This Whimsical Whisper is an awesome pairing with this bag. The greens match really well. So I just have my little key fob on there. Then you have 4 elastic pockets around the inside, and then you have 2 elastic thermal pockets on both sides here of the bag. So that right there is 6 pockets. And then you have an awesome huge zipper pocket here with another of the zipper pulls here. So it makes it really easy to organize this bag. You definitely do not need to pack this bag with pouches, but it does come with them. So it makes this really, really easy. It's like an all-in-one baby bundle. I went ahead and packed it with the pouches, but like I said, you could easily just use these pockets if you aren't like a pouch person. So I'm gonna go ahead and unzip this back pocket just to get it out of the way. I have my daughter's chapter book back there just because I know she's gonna want it over the weekend. And then I went ahead and threw in the long crossbody strap that comes with the set of pouches, just in case I wanted to grab one of those and wear it crossbody. That's all I have back there, but this zipper pocket is super deep. Oh wait, what else do I have? Oh, I have another. Okay, so I didn't know this, y'all. It comes with 2 wristlet straps and 1 crossbody strap. I didn't know that. I thought it only had 1 wristlet, but you actually get 2 and the crossbody. So that's really cool. But like I was saying, my hand goes all the way down to the bottom of the bag. This is a really big zipper pocket. It's not like a small, like essential pocket, if that makes sense. So then getting on into the middle of the bag, let's just go ahead and pull out those pouches. I have the large and the medium size pouches that come with this bag. And then attached here to the medium one, I went ahead and put the wristlet strap just because it has my stuff in it. That's why I was shocked that it came with another wristlet strap, because I thought I had the only one attached here. But inside this pouch, I went ahead and used it for all of like my type mommy needs, I guess you can say. I have like a scrunchie and a chapstick in here. I'm not gonna pull everything out, but I'll make sure you guys can see in here. I have a nail file and some pens, my pill case and a little hairbrush, tons of lip products, mirror. You guys know the drift. It's like a little mommy cosmetic type case. So I have all of my stuff in there. And then I used the large case right here for my kiddos' toys. And another option of what you can do, because this is such a big pouch, you can easily use this for your stuff and then be able to have it as a crossbody. I do that a lot of times with all my different wristlets, but right now I needed more toys for the weekend. So I decided to pick the biggest one to hold all of the things for the kiddos. We have like a puzzle in here, Paw Patrols for days, these little kind of plus cubes, which my kids are obsessed with. And so yeah, you get the drift. It's like a toy bag. But look at the lining again, like on the pouches. It looks so good. And you have D-rings on both sides on all the pouches, so you can put a wristlet or a crossbody strap on any of these sizes. So that's a really cool feature. But like I said, you can switch it up and put kind of your mommy things in that large one and then use that kind of crossbody too. So this is what it looks like inside with nothing in the middle. Over here in this pocket, I just have a 17-ounce Swell bottle. It is a thermal lined pocket, so it'd be perfect for bottles. You don't necessarily have to have something insulated in there. Then over here in this one, I have a hand cream. And then I also have a hand sanitizer. So they're just in really easy pocket for me to grab because I need those a lot. Then as far as the elastic pockets inside, I have my Lily Jade full-size wallet. And like I said before, if you wanted to use this large pouch for like your mommy stuff, you could easily pop your wallet right inside and your phone and you're like good to go. So just to give like a good size reference, this is a full-size wallet and this is the large pouch. So you would definitely be good as far as fitting a big wallet inside if you're one of those that has like a big wallet. Or of course you can go with like a Jujube Be Charged and slip it here in the front, and that would be just as convenient. So then on the inside, I have back here the smallest pouch, and I have in here all of our like medical type boo-boo needs. I have some itch cream, I have like a little trash baggie, nail clippers, a healer stick, I have a pair of travel scissors in here, and tissues and Band-Aids for days because kids and summer. So that's inside here. Then back here in this pocket, I have a small coin purse in an old print, but it's one that I love by Jujubee, the Queen of the Jungle. Look how cool that looks with this bag. It matches the black and white, it matches like the olive, it's kind of like safari looking. I wish I had a Queen of the Jungle bee set because that would look really cute in here. But inside I actually just have a set of dice, and this is for Yahtzee. So that's been like a new love in our house for the older kids, and I have like some Yahtzee playing cards. Like I just folded up the paper Yahtzee boards and I put them inside here so that we can play it when we're out like at a restaurant waiting to eat. So a coin purse is an awesome use for that. Then also back there in that back pocket, I have our little thing of crayons. This is a Target dollar spot find. It has some stickers and a bunch of crayons. You guys have seen that in another one of my videos. It's an awesome little case. And then over here in these front two pockets, I had my wallet in this one, and then over here I have a package of wet ones and a package of Kleenex wipes. You could definitely put a full package of wipes, no problem, inside these elastic pockets, and it would be awesome. So that's everything I have packed up inside. Now I want to show you really quick this bag and the other two so that you can check out the how the prints look on those bags if you want to get just a really quick look. All right, so I decided to just go ahead and grab my camera off the tripod so that I could show you really quickly these three different core convertible bags. Obviously the olive one here you just saw in the packing portion of this video, and then I have these other two which I'm kind of equally obsessed with, I'm not gonna lie. So one of them I will be doing a giveaway with over on my Instagram for sure. I'm not sure which one yet, so definitely stay tuned and check that out. But I really love this black and white one. I think that it's so fun. It was one that I was like on the fence with, and then when you see it in person, it's just really, really cool. So again, I'm not sure of the exact print names, but there's only about 6 that are being released in this collection for right now. But this one here is the really fun kind of Aztec-y black and white one. And on the inside, you have a really pretty silvery gray lining. The change pad is also the same as the lining, and then the pouches that come with this bag are the really fun black and white ones. So I love that they decided to put the actual print of the bag for the pouches and didn't just use black pouches, because I think that that is just really fun. I can definitely see myself wearing this type of print like crossbody, like that would be so fun to wear by itself. So that here is the black and white one, and then over here you have like your classic striking black color, and I love the cream zipper pulls against the black. I'm glad that they just still went ahead and did that and didn't do the black zipper pulls that they did over here, because it's just a really fun like contrast. And then inside, oh yes they did, the black and white polka dot, which I'm so glad they did. It makes me love this bag with that lining on the inside. And then the change pad of course is black and white polka dot, and then you have this pouch here that is black with the, if I can open it one-handed, probably not, but the lining of the pouch is black and white polka dot as well. So there you have it. You have the 3 different ones that I have. Like I said, there's like 2 other ones that are coming out. There's a really pretty floral, there's a stripe, and then there's a solid gray. So I hope that this video was helpful for you guys. Those of you that are looking to get this bag, the core convertible, I'm gonna be sharing tons still over on Instagram on the bodies and more pics. So as always, I'm happy to help if you guys have any questions or comments. All the details regarding the release will be in the description box. Have a great day.